So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. Where in this tutorial we're gonna discuss how you can find the stream key of your YouTube channel. If you don't know, to stream through a third-party application or the software, you need a stream key of which you enter in your application or the software. Like if you are presenting the display of your screen via OBS software or directly to your YouTube live stream, you need a particular unique code which is used to paste and explore your YouTube live videos. So where to find that stream key? All you have to do is to just simply open your YouTube account on any of the browser and go to the studio. If you don't know, studio is the basic editing studio is the basic tool for creator in which you can manage and edit all your videos. When you go over there, you can see now all you have to do is to just simply, you will see an option of create over the top right window. You can see just right there. When you click there, you will see an option of go live. Just simply click on this option, and when you go to this option, you will see the streaming window will open right in front of me. Now you can set all the details that you want to add to your live stream, and here you can see stream key, which is a optional feature. Paste in encoder. In case you are using any encoder, for example if you are using OBS studio to do your live streams, you can just simply copy this stream key. You can see that stream key just by clicking on this option and just simply hit copy. When you copy the stream key on your clipboard, just simply paste it on any third party application of which you are using streaming, and you are directly live to your YouTube channel. So by this method, you can easily find the stream key of your YouTube videos. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.